Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on voice chat on Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game and get to this homepage. And then from here, find the settings icon that appears at the top right corner. Select it and then select settings from the menu that appears. Now from here, go to the audio section. So if you're on PC, or rather if you're on console, use the RB or the LB button and go to audio. And if you're on PC, simply click with your mouse. And then from here, ensure that you're on the audio section. So in case you're in the compact mix section, simply use the LT button on your controller or the left trigger button on your controller to get to the audio section. Now within the audio section, scroll down and find voice chat. So by default, it's turned off. So to enable it, simply click on it and you should see this check mark appear. So that means voice chat has been enabled. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.